Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So, what have I been seeing in the insolvency space this week? I've seen some new and interesting things which I'd like to share with you. I've seen the ATO bring a winding up application against a company in relation to unpaid taxation liabilities. Now, usually through an ordinary year, these would be fairly routine and definitely nothing to make a news video about. However, through 2020, they were very rare and they did happen but occasionally. So to see one now, I think this could be the start of a more systematic approach by the ATO to doing and bringing such winding up applications where there is unpaid tax debt. I've also seen creditors apply or begin the process or continue the process to liquidate those who haven't paid them. I've also seen individuals look to declare bankruptcy for debt, in one case, say a business debt that couldn't be paid, that is probably going to result in this person's bankruptcy. So what's special about this week that I've decided to make a video about it? Firstly, I've seen an uptick in the amount of insolvency and debt-related activity compared with over the last few weeks and even over the last few months. Do I think this is the start of an increase in insolvency activity generally? I think it is, although it is still very early days and 1 week doesn't make a trend, but let's see and watch this space. If somebody has debt, what should they be doing about it? I always recommend talking to somebody sooner rather than later, because there are windows of opportunities in relation to debts, things like negotiating payment plans or what options are available to people that do close over time if they don't deal with it sooner rather than later. As we all know, problems that don't get dealt with don't tend to deal with themselves. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. Talk to you again soon.